Hey there, awesome people. I hope you guys are doing great. This is here Victor from Wearview, and today in this video I'll be teaching you how you can create on-model photos without hiring a professional model. All these images that you're looking at were created by a tool that we'll be using without hiring a professional model or anything as such. Now I know, being a brand ambassador, or if you are a manager of your own brand, I know how important it is to hire a model and make them wear your dresses and then click images and use those images for your store. Hiring a professional model is really time consuming as well as an expensive process. Along with that, you will also have to hire a professional photographer if you are not a photography wizard or stuff like that. But if you are, then of course you will have to hire a model and stuff like that. It's really time consuming process. But in this video I'll be teaching you just that. All these images, like you saw previously, were all created with the help of a tool which we'll be explaining, and that tool is nothing but Wearview. Well, with just a few clicks you can create images like these for your store as well. So without any further delay, let's hop into today's video. First, what I want you guys to do is go ahead and go to wearview.co and then log into your account. Once you have logged in, if you don't have an account, I would suggest you to create one. After you have logged in, go ahead and click on the Try It Now button. Once you click on the Try It Now button, you have all these features supported by, or features offered by Wearview. Some of them are AI fashion video, AI model creation, which means you can create your very own AI model, AI ghost mannequin, AI pose control, AI consistent models, and stuff like that. So for this video, I will choose AI product to model. And then the next thing that you have to do is select your models. If you have multiple products that you want your model to wear, for example, you are trying to sell a t-shirt along with trousers, shoes, and stuff like that, you can do that right here. So what I'll do, I'll click on the Add Image button, and then I will select some images that I have for my store. So I'll just do that. Alright guys, so these are some of the dresses that I want my AI model to wear. This is a jacket, a blue jeans, and a really nice shoe, a pair of shoe. If you want, you can also click on the See What Works button, and this will show you what all dresses that you can choose. It supports dress, t-shirt, bags, shoes, hats, shades, as well as skirt. Upload images which are really simple. Don't upload images that have complicated things in the background. It will just not give you better results. The background should be really clean, and that's pretty much it. Once you do that, click on the Next button. Now you will have to select your model. If you have a model, then go ahead, click on the Choose File, and just choose your image of your model. If you don't have, don't worry, go ahead and click on the My Models section and go to Model Library. Here we have a huge collection of women as well as man AI models. As you can see, these are all the women AI models who like, all of them are really beautiful and really high quality. But for this video, as I have some jacket, blue jeans, and as well as a beautiful sneaker, so I'll use sneakers. So I'll use an AI model which is a man. So let's choose Cyrus for this video. Once we have selected Cyrus, we'll click on the Next button, and then we have an optional setting here, describe your model and setting. There is an example given here. If you want some help, then click on the prompt tips, and from here you can just copy any of the prompts and then paste it over here. This is for a woman, no, this is for a man. As you can see, confident 22-year-old man with short fade haircut and stuff like that. This is an optional feature, so if you just skip it, there won't be any harm. Next, select the quality. If you're really serious about your business and you want the best of the best, like most of us do, then of course go ahead and select 4K. But Wearview recommends 2K, and even the quality is great as well. As you saw already, the images, as well as you will just look at the images that will be generated right now. So I'll choose 2K. For aspect ratios, I will choose vertical because it will be a vertical image, because I have a jacket, a blue jeans, as well as sneakers. So I'll choose 9:16, which is a vertical resolution. For number of images, I'll choose 1 because images are really nice. So I'll finally click on the Generate button, and this will take around like 30 to 40 seconds depending on the complexity of the dress that you're choosing or you're using. So I'll resume the video once the generation is completed. All right, guys, so as you can see, our model is wearing our jacket along with the blue jeans and our sneakers, and it looks really nice on him. But right now, as we can see, we have only one image, so we want multiple images for our store, right? So what we will do here, and before that, if you see some artifacts in the image, maybe there are some things appearing in the background and you want to get rid of it, then go ahead and click on the refine button, and here you can just go ahead and type in whatever you want. But we have presets or already prompts here which says remove background distractions. You can use it to remove any distractions from the background, or if you want, you can also get a clean white background, which is right here, or enhance colors, stuff like that. Your imagination is the limit here. Now, like I said, we want our multiple poses for our model, or multiple images. So what I'll do, I'll click on the AI pose control. Once the AI pose control is clicked, once we have clicked the AI pose control, it says upload your model, but we have already created the model and we have selected it, so our model is already selected. Now we'll click on the next button. Now we will have to choose the poses that we want for our model. Now it is selected as woman, so we'll go to men. And now we will be choosing some poses for our AI model. So let's go and do that. We'll choose seated. All right, these are the poses that I've selected. Now I'll click on the next button. Next, we'll have to choose the quality of the image. Like I said, if you want the best of the best, then 4K is your best friend. But Wearview recommends 2K, and even the quality is really good. So I'll choose 2K. And for aspect ratio, I'll choose match input image, which will give you the better results. And then finally click on the generate button. Again, this will take maybe around a minute or so, because you will have to create, I think I chose 6 to 4 or 5 images. So it will take around like 1 minute. So I won't make you guys or I won't keep you guys waiting. I'll resume the video once all these images are successfully generated. Alright guys, as you can see, our model is ready, wearing this great jacket along with the blue jeans and the shoes. All these images are generated with Wearview, and you just saw how easy it is, and within less than maybe 10 minutes we created all these great images, and you can go ahead and straightly use these images in your store and start making money by selling all these garments or all these clothes that you're trying to sell. Well, that's pretty much it, guys. Now also you have features like flip the image horizontally if you want. That's your wish, you can just do that. By any chance, if you have some artifacts or you don't want the background that the image has, so you can go ahead and click on the refine button, and also clean white background and stuff like that. You can go ahead and use it like I mentioned previously, but I'm really happy with the results. So I'll just download all the images and then update all these images into my inventories, images and stuff like that, because I'm pretty sure my customers are going to love the way this images I have generated, and there is a high hope or high chances that these images will be selling out like cupcakes across the streets. Well, that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you can create on-model photos without hiring a model. Like you saw, within less than 10 seconds, you created all these great images. Well, that's pretty much it, guys. This is here Victor from Wearview. If you got any queries or if you have any feature requests, let us know in the comment box down below. Please like this video as well as subscribe to the channel for more content just like this one. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.